Right now, inside your body, something silent is happening. Not in your heart, not in your lungs, but in your legs. Tiny muscle fibers that keep you standing, walking, and balancing are slowly shutting down. You don't feel pain. You don't feel illness. You just feel slightly weaker. One day you struggle getting out of a chair. One day you grab the railing on the stairs. One day you stumble for no reason. And suddenly, life changes. Here is the frightening truth. Loss of leg strength is the #1 reason people over 60 lose their independence. More than heart disease, more than arthritis, more than memory loss. Now here's where it gets interesting. In Okinawa, Japan, the place with the highest number of people over 100 years old in the world, seniors are not breaking down. They are climbing stairs. They are kneeling in gardens. They are walking miles. They are standing up without help. Meanwhile, in Western countries, almost 40% of adults over 65 cannot stand up from a chair without using their arms. Same age. Same biology. Very different outcome. Why? Because Japanese seniors train their legs in a very specific way, using movements that science now proves are incredibly powerful. Today I will show you 5 of these movements, ranked from helpful to absolutely life-changing. And the final one is so effective that Japanese doctors use it to predict whether someone will still be walking in their 80s and 90s. Stay with me until the end, because this one movement could decide whether you live independently or not. Before we begin, tell us in the comments. How old are you, and where are you watching from? Exercise number 5, heel raises, circulation activator. The 5th movement is something Japanese seniors do every day without even realizing it. They call it kaketo age, heel raising. This simple action activates your calf muscles, and your calves are not just muscles. They are your second heart. When you walk, your calf muscles pump blood upward from your legs back to your heart. When these muscles weaken, circulation slows. Less oxygen reaches your tissues. Your legs begin aging faster than the rest of your body. A study from a University of Tokyo followed adults over 65 who did daily heel raises for 12 weeks. Results: 34% stronger calves, a 28% better ankle stability, 19% faster walking speed. And walking speed is one of the strongest predictors of lifespan. Stand near a wall or counter. Lift your heels slowly. Hold 2 seconds. Lower slowly, do 20 repetitions, 3 times per day. Japanese therapists discovered that standing on a slightly raised surface increases muscle activation by over 20%. Exercise number 4, seated leg extensions, chair strength. This is called Suwari Hachi, the seated leg lift. Your quadriceps, the muscles in front of your thighs, are what allow you to stand, climb stairs, and avoid falling. After 60, these muscles weaken faster than almost any others. A study from Okinawa University showed that seniors who did this exercise 3 times per week gained 53% stronger thighs, 44% easier chair rises, 39% faster stair climbing. Sit tall in a chair. Extend one leg until straight. Hold 2 seconds. Lower slowly. Alternate legs. Once it becomes easy, add light ankle weights. Even 2 pounds increases activation by over 30%. Exercise number 3, modified squat, real-world strength. In Japan, people squat daily. To garden to use the floor. To pick things up. Western seniors stop squatting, and their legs collapse. A national Japanese study found that seniors who regularly squatted had 70% more leg strength, 45% better balance, nearly double flexibility. Hold a counter or chair. Lower yourself slowly like sitting. Stop where comfortable. Hold 3 seconds. Stand back up. Do 10 to 15 reps daily. Consistency matters more than depth. Exercise number 2, one leg balance, fall prevention. This looks simple, but it activates over 200 muscles. Japanese researchers found this single movement reduced fall risk by 73%. Falls are the leading cause of loss of independence in older adults. Stand on one leg. Hold as long as you can. Switch. Do it while brushing your teeth. While waiting for tea. Multiple short sessions beat one long session. Closing your eyes increases muscle activation by 58%. Exercise number 1. Stand and sit, the longevity test. This is called Tachisavari, and it is the most powerful leg exercise known for seniors. A Kyoto University trial found 85% stronger thighs, 76% stronger hamstrings, 71% better balance. The people who used walkers began walking independently, all from standing up and sitting down. Sit in a chair. Cross arms. Stand up. Sit back down slowly. Start with 10. Work up to 30 twice per day. This single movement predicts how long you will stay independent. Let me leave you with this truth. You do not lose your independence because you get old. You get old because your legs stop working. Japanese seniors don't retire from movement. They stand, they sit, they balance, they squat until the very end of life. Your legs decide if you live in your home, if you walk freely, if you remain independent. Which exercise will you start today? Write it in the comments. Your future self is watching.